Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Bolt key fob. First, you'll want to gather a few simple tools to make the process smooth and easy. A small flathead screwdriver or even a coin will work perfectly for this task. Make sure your key fob is clean and dry before you begin, as this helps prevent any slips or damage. Finding the small slot on the side of the fob is your next step, as this is where we'll start the opening process. Now that you have your tool ready, carefully insert it into the small slot you located. With a gentle touch, twist or pry the tool to begin separating the two halves of the key fob. It's important to apply steady, even pressure here to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. You should feel a slight give as the halves start to come apart, revealing the inside. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small circular battery inside. Take a moment to note its type. It's typically a CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently pry out the old battery from its holder, being careful not to bend any contacts. Now, take your new battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper function when you reassemble the fob. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves, making sure all the edges match up perfectly. Then, press them firmly together until you hear and feel them click securely into place. Give it a quick test to ensure it's working correctly. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.